Ever wondered if hydroponic gardening is cost-effective? Well, you're not alone. Hydroponics, the practice of growing plants without soil, has been gaining popularity for its efficiency, speed, and health benefits for plants. But what about the cost? Today we're diving into the world of hydroponics to uncover the most cost-effective plants you can grow using this method. First on the list is lettuce. This leafy green is a champion in the hydroponic world. Why? It's fast-growing, doesn't demand much space or nutrients, and the best part, you can harvest it multiple times. This means more yield from a single plant, making it a wise choice for your hydroponic garden. Next up are herbs. Think basil, mint, and parsley. Similar to lettuce, these aromatic plants are quick growers and aren't space or nutrient hogs. An added bonus is their price tag in grocery stores. Growing your own herbs can lead to substantial savings over time. Tomatoes are another excellent choice for hydroponic gardening. They might be a bit more demanding in terms of space and nutrients, but the payoff is worth it. They yield bountiful fruit. And let's not forget, homegrown tomatoes always outshine the store-bought ones in taste. Strawberries, these juicy berries, are a delight to grow hydroponically. They grow swiftly, don't require much space or nutrients, and can be quite pricey at the grocery store. Growing your own strawberries can be a fun project that results in delicious, cost-effective fruit. Lastly, consider peppers. Much like tomatoes, they require a bit more care and attention, but the end product is rewarding. Homegrown peppers have a taste that is simply unmatched by their store-bought counterparts. In conclusion, hydroponic gardening may seem daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, the benefits are clear. Not only can you grow healthier, faster plants, but you can also save a pretty penny by choosing the most cost-effective plants. So why not give hydroponic gardening a try? It might just turn into your new favorite hobby.